Could saving $75 a year cost you thousands? You're shopping online for auto insurance. Two quotes pop up on your screen. One is about $75 a year cheaper than the other. Which one would you choose? If your answer is the cheaper one, let's see what you may have actually purchased. A few months later, you're driving home from work. You glance down at your GPS for just a second. When you look back up, it's too late. You rear-end an SUV carrying a family. Two people are seriously injured. Their medical bills, lost wages, and other damages total $300,000. The SUV is totaled with $55,000 in property damage. Because you selected Maine's minimum liability limits, your policy pays up to $100,000 for bodily injury per accident and $25,000 for property damage. That leaves a potential gap of $200,000 in bodily injury and $30,000 in property damage. That's a potential $230,000 that could become your financial responsibility, depending on the circumstances. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's assume the family you hit also chose the state minimum coverage to save money. Your liability insurance pays up to your policy limits. Their own uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage may help cover some of the remaining damages, depending on their policy and state law, but it still may not be enough to make them whole. You could still be personally responsible for the remaining damages. One accident, two families trying to save a little money, both discovering the true cost of carrying minimum coverage. Here's what I've learned after helping people with their insurance. Most people shop for auto insurance thinking about their own car. If my vehicle is totaled, will my loan be paid off so I can replace my car? And that's exactly how most people shop for insurance. But the biggest financial risk in a serious accident usually isn't your vehicle. It's your liability to other people. Medical bills, lost wages, property damage, even lawsuits. Those costs can add up far beyond the value of your own vehicle. Before you click buy on that online insurance policy, let Tonelli Insurance Group give you a second opinion. We'll compare not just the price, but the protection you're getting, so you can make an informed decision. We'll help you understand your liability exposure, your uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, and make sure you're protecting more than just your car. You're protecting your financial future.